Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to export day one journal on a device. Now if you want to export the day one journal on a device but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now to export the journal on day one app, make sure that you have done the very basic step, which is installing the app. So if you have not installed the app, then you may install it from App Store or Play Store on a device. So after that you just need to open the day one journal app on a device. So I'll simply open the day one journal app and I have enabled the Face ID and password for it. Now if you want to export the journal you have created on the day one journal app, you just need to select the journal which you want to export. So I'll simply click on the journal which I want to export. So I'll simply click on it and you will see the various options at the very top taskbar, like the three dots and the option of done. So click on the option of three dots which is next to the button of done, and here you'll see the option of tag, move to, copy to, and all of it. But at the very bottom you'll see the option of export. So click on the option of export, and from the export button you'll be able to share it with your friends, share on the message, mail, WhatsApp, and all of it. But if you want to export it as a plain text, here you'll see the option of export as a plain text, and if you want to export it as a JSON file, then you may click on the option of export JSON. So I'll simply export it as a plain text. I'll click on the option of it. So it has already been exported as a plain text. So I need to scroll down, and here I'll need to click on the option of save to files, and after saving on the files I'll need to simply select the folder which I want to share and click on the option of save. So after doing all of it, you may open the files on your iPhone and you'll be able to see the files which you have exported from the day one journal app. So that's it. That's how you can export the journals from day one journal app. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.